want no smoke with me. Then turn this motherfucker up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie.
What's up, Royalty Gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Lori, and for today I'm back with a video. So I'm turning this Ida color into a mukbang. There's me and my sister. So I'm gonna be eating brown. Well, it's yellow rice, but it's close to brown, so let's get it. Jesus Christ, Nika. Aku dah lihat.
Talk about moving. I look 12, oh my god, I look so young and brave.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Bigger color. Bye, honey. Get home safe.
I wish I could leave.
Oh.
Don't worry, soon.
It's not coming soon.
Mommy said there's no light. Mommy said there's no light.
Light gone? That's why I can't understand what's out there. You're extra good today.
It's mad good.
Alright,
Alright, guys. This challenge was created by Sassy Ren and Simply Carla Jones. So there's like 17 of us in this challenge. I'm going to be putting their link in the description down below so you guys can check them out. This is day 4. Eat a color. My color, I choose brown.
It's brown.
Nope. Hey, brown chicken. Oh my god.
Talk about relationship.
Okay.
What about it? I don't know if I'm in one. It's an entanglement. I'm your burn right here.
My go straight now entanglement. And a full-blown relationship, she know. Me? I'm good, I'm Gucci, I'm chilling, I'm single. I don't want nobody.
Sisters. Wing and wing, rice and rice.
And you eating fries and fries.
Let me taste food and fried. They look a little soggy though. I didn't open it. It just
This is actually good. It's like, I'm well prepared.
even the rice is extra good today. I don't know what it is.
I'm well prepared.
Probably because I'm mad hungry. Like I am.
I'm hungry too. I didn't eat enough. Well, my mom made me a cup noodle, but that's it.
That's what I ate.
Not nothing else. Guys, look at this. That's the honey. What's this? Honey glaze?
Thank you, lady.
Sticky wings.
What is for this?
Then where my beverage at?
Yeah, that's straight up.
I like this company drink. I don't feel like I'm good.
I will share, but it's kind of small.
Very small.
Isn't that hot? That's not hot.
It's probably expired.
It was. Don't say that, cause I had
I'm
expired
just
coffee
saying,
from
like
here.
the fridge is off.
I got sick after drinking that Dunkin' Donuts one.
Exactly.
Why would you buy Dunkin'
Exactly,
Donuts?
and the fridge is
In
off.
quarantine.
It's not cold.
No, this is before quarantine. This is back in March.
Oh, wow.
Averages don't get expired.
What do you mean?
It's the things they put in it.
It's good by August 17th. 2020.
Okay.
August 17th. It's right there, bro. Drink up.
I got 13 days, sure.
Oh. These wings are good. Okay.
And they're not even that big today.
That's good enough.
Probably that's why I'm enjoying them like this.
The last time, some big giant wings they had, like they were like what should I call it? Like, what do you call them wings there? Turkey wings. Ah, purchase. Look at that.
Somewhere.
Makes it like that.
And that's it.
This is very good though.
It must good. The way you repeating it,
Shana, how is it?
the wing is good today. Is it just me? The wings are good, right?
What is that?
The wings are good today,
How
right?
is the wing?
What?
The wings are good today, right?
OD.
Oh, be good
I'm
today.
missing some temporas though.
Oh shit, let me get some of this sour cream.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I bet you give me this. Our blue cheese.
Blue cheese, that's what I'm about to tell you. The hell? I was about to correct you before. I'm really tearing these kids out. I had to hang up on Brian because I wanted to tear these kids out.
BBQs, them thing pan them here now, like. Yes, another purchase, I'm lit.
He probably dropped some.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we just eating in that same restaurant.
That's how good the food is.
How you get to leave? How you get to leave?
Bye, AC.
How you get to
Yo, take it
leave?
easy, man.
How you get to leave?
You're such a hard worker. Bye, AC.
I know how he gets to leave.
Wow.
The hell?
I need to put my rice in here.
That's what I've been doing. Bad. Like you over there taking out the gravy.
Yeah, tell them. Make it a whole meal now. Let me show you all my food. Look at my neck, our body, everything.
I should have near done.
So,
Okay, cool.
guys, it's like pouring outside. They say I have a storm,
It's
Isaiah.
not pouring outside.
Is it Isaiah? What's the storm name again? Isaiah?
Isaiah's.
The star,
Isaiah's.
wait, it's like it's a whole star with the name and all of that.
That Shana told me.
And we're here.
Yeah. And some trains are not working.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I mean, as long as my trains run home, I'm Gucci.
That's what I said.
My train is working.
I think the E-Trade should be good though because it run underground.
See, you saying that, and my train goes from underground to outside.
That's the issue.
I mean, if I have to take a bike, I'm gonna take a New York City bike.
But then you
I
have
mean, I
multiple
can take a
trains.
bus though.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna
It's
take
right
long.
there.
I remember you live in Harlem, right?
Yeah.
It still take long going up the avenue now.
You never give me no five.
Going up 3rd or 2nd
Maybe I do
Avenue.
this. Oh, give me five here. Oh,
Yeah, definitely the best. I almost took it now.
got more something there. No, give me more someone else. I don't want to cup there. I'm buying my juice right now. Stress up my body. Oh man. And Shana, you could take your time.
What? This chicken is something different today.
It really is. I don't know if it's the rain, so nobody is really
It's the
ordering.
inventory.
But is it? It's really.
We're not stressing right now.
Okay.
I haven't been McDonald's so.
You just sitting down eating.
I'll pay you myself. Okay.
I'm really just eating the night. We're talking.
Is that mom life? Like you gotta sneak in food before.
Boy,
Sounds
Is that how it is?
And be quiet, and always mom like sneaking food.
So your baby look at me be like,
That's what she just does that. That's crazy.
little
She
girl.
can't be looking at people for real, man.
What you banging for, little girl?
No.
Nah, I'm low-key full.
I mean, if you have done the food so fast. Ah,
What are you talking about?
how do we have the same amount of food?
Exactly. You're busting down the food fast.
She said I was hungry. I was counting panties all day.
Exactly. Hey, Panty, what got something for container?
What are you talking about?
But you
can
said
take
we
babies.
finished audit.
You can take.
No, we finished audit. No.
Oh, really? How was it? You guys look so cute. I mean,
You can't even take a tissue and wipe your hands because the sticky wings are gonna mess it all up. So you got to lick the honey off.
Bags.
No, I used to skate. Yeah, basically, yes. I used to
But I wipe my hand with a napkin
Don't you have a whole cover? Why you putting your stuff?
on your thing.
On
I
my
put
cover.
it in here. I just put one.
I don't
Wow.
care. Put your ass.
Wow. Black people.
Put your ass.
Black people, I'm telling you.
I couldn't. I could.
No, this girl.
Oh. Vanessa was looking for you. Oh.
The pink one. Oh, they didn't like it. It's
You don't want 5?
a.
Yeah, I'm like,
He forgot about those fries.
that different.
The wind. The wind is busting down the wind and forgot about the fries.
I'm gonna dip them in the honey.
I see how it is. We started together. I get that we branched off together, differently.
Adi, would you like a wing?
Anybody want Chick-fil-A?
We damn sure did start up together.
Yep.
This is gonna give you the itis. I'm gonna go to my office and sleep.
You better sit right in panty room with me. Scanning them
Yeah, I'm
drawers.
gonna be right behind that fitting room door, sleeping.
Guys, look at Nick stack of wings.
I can't finish it. I don't even know if
That's
I
a
can
lot
bite
of
it.
food.
Like, I can't even bite it.
Can't bite it, man. I bite it feel.
Yeah, you can take it. I'm not about to force that down my Gotta wash your hands. Let me clean up.
Don't want this?
You don't want it. Like, you leave it.
Yeah, for real. I can go to somebody. I'm full. Yeah, huh? There's a lot of food. This food is really good. I like
Ooh, that's
bodied
so
it.
good today. The other day, I left like 3 wings.
I left like 3 myself or 4. Make a body hers. And
Girl,
mess
what-
up the
but you
whole
have
table.
one of my whole wing.
It's not one of your whole wings. I make sure I show them. This is she said one of her whole wings. Chanel body film.
Shana is done.
Done. I was about to flip the camera to you too. Sucking off your wings, you stupid. Guys, look at this. And he's American. And he body.
And he's talking about we don't know how to eat wings. Boy,
He quit everything.
I bet when you home, you swallow the bones too.
What?
Look at Rama.
Where you get her from?
She
That's
wasted
good
chicken.
That's good up eating right there.
Look at this. He's stupid. Yo, Sharna bodied everything. Oh, he got fries. His fries were sweating. Somebody was sweating on his fries. Oh, God.